A step-by-step guide to starting a YouTube channel in 2023. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world, after Google, with an average visit duration of 21 minutes and 29 seconds. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach, there are some best practices that can help you strengthen your YouTube strategy. Choose a niche. First, select a niche that you like to watch. You're more likely to produce content of a higher quality on topics you're interested in. Understand your target audience. Regardless of your expertise in the topic, you won't be able to grow your channel if you don't identify what people are looking for exactly. Monetization potential. Monetized YouTube channels mostly make money through advertising, brand partnerships, selling merchandise or digital goods. Plan ahead, create your content strategy. You don't want to start your channel and then think about the specific videos to create. Identify and gather the equipment required. Camera for recording videos. Microphone for quality audio. Lighting to enhance video quality. Fliki to create videos. If technology is not your forte, chances are video editing might seem a bit daunting to you. Fliki is a text-to-speech and text-to-video platform that helps you easily create audio and video content using AI voices.